Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E20. In this video I'll show you how to make phone call via Google Assistant. At the beginning, tap this button and simply say you want to make a phone call. For example, call Lily.
The Collini case is a 2019 movie.
Call Lily.
Calling Lily.
And that's the process how to make phone call via Google Assistant. Unfortunately right now I don't have SIM card inserted, but on your phone it will be just fine. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.